What's going on, guys? This is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video. Today we're going to have a little bit different video. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why affiliate marketing might seem so hard for you, or in other words, why 95% of people fail in affiliate marketing. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it and let's start with number 1 reason. Now guys, what do you think is the number 1 reason? The number 1 reason why so many people fail in affiliate marketing is that they come with a bad or incorrect belief system or mindset. All right, many people come into affiliate marketing with thinking that this is some kind of a get rich quick scheme or kind of a gold rush. All right, so I'm just going to put get rich quick. All right, now the thing with this is that you might be bombarded by ads or by posts on Facebook or other social media about how affiliate marketing is super easy, super simple to start with, and what kind of huge commissions are there, which is all good, which is all true, but this gives you an impression that affiliate marketing is some form of a get rich quick scheme or something that you can get rich quick with when you enter right now, right? Some kind of a gold rush that it is here and now and is going to get away very soon, which is nothing of a true from that. All right, affiliate marketing, the problem with this is that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business just like anything else. All right, it requires time, effort, work, ethic into putting into it, and that's when you will see the results and you will see the success. Now, the problem with this is that when you come into affiliate marketing with this kind of a mindset, you will very quickly fail at it because it will take more than what you're expecting, right? However, if you would come into the mindset that, okay, this is a legitimate, normal business just like anything else, all right? I know that, in other businesses, it takes some time to see the results, to see, the sales and all of that, to be in profit and all of that stuff. It takes some time and it requires quite a lot of work from me. If you would get into affiliate marketing with this kind of a mindset, you would very quickly see that actually affiliate marketing is pretty fast. It's pretty simple, and I can see the results very quick, right? But when you are going into affiliate marketing with this kind of a mindset, it's a get rich quick scheme and you need to make money very quickly now, or it's not going to happen at all, that's when you are going to fail. All right, so that was number 1 reason, get rich quick scheme or a gold rush. Now the second reason is that not many people are actually willing to stretch and get out of their comfort zone, right? So let me just write it over here: stretch, get out of comfort zone. All right, excuse my handwriting, I know it's not the best one. Hope you can clearly see it. So yes, affiliate marketing is going to ask you and require from you to stretch and get out of your comfort zone, do things that you're not comfortable with doing, learn new skills, learn new ways of doing it, and you're not going to need to go through that kind of like a fear or whatever pain that might be there in order to succeed. It might be different things, learning new ways, or getting in front of a camera just like this one, and I know many people are terrified of a camera, and I know it from my own experience. I was petrified of a camera. I was not even willing to talk about it, that I should or need to record a video. That was not even a topic or a discussion, for me. But I worked on myself. I get in front of it. I've pushed through it, and now I'm pretty comfortable with camera. Obviously I'm not the best one. I always work on myself, but it's getting better and better and more comfortable. So affiliate marketing is going to ask you to do these kind of things, and unfortunately not many people are actually willing to stretch themselves and do things they're not comfortable with. But if you are, then you're on the right track for success. Now the third reason is that, again, very fairly, connected to these first two. Not many people are actually willing to invest into tools and education, all right? So invest into tools plus education, all right? Now, what do I mean by this? It means that whatever you're going to do, all right, if it is going to be affiliate marketing or any other business, you need specific education to learn how to actually do it, right? School didn't teach you, not your friends or environment taught you anything like that, right? So you need to learn it by yourself. You need to find people who are doing it, and they can teach you. So you need to learn it by yourself. You need to learn how to actually do it, For, most of us, right, who get into affiliate marketing, it's something new that we have no experience with. Not everybody's, some people have experience with marketing, but most of us, it's completely new to us. So we need to learn that thing, how it works. And we need to, learn how we can actually approach it and do it in our terms, right? Now, the tools that you need, obviously, you need some tools, right? It's not like you can do it without anything. Right? In any business, you need some specific tools, some kind of investment, right? If you would be a delivery driver, you need a car to deliver those goods. If you would be, a plumber, you need probably, hammer and some tools, right? With affiliate marketing, obviously you don't need, that kind of an investment like in a car, but you need some tools in order to work around it, right? For example, a website, like everybody is telling you, okay? Listen. If you are going to build a skyscraper, you're not going to build it with a hammer and nails, right? You are going to use some heavy machinery, and that's exactly why you need proper tools with affiliate marketing, right? Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is that these things are fairly cheap compared to any other business. The entry barriers, that's why the entry barriers to affiliate marketing are very, very low, all right? So that's number 3. What is number 4? Number 4 is, let me just think about it fairly quickly. Yes, the number 4 is consistency. Now, many people will say, I was consistent, but I haven't seen any result. Consistent, oops, that's my bad. Many people will tell you, I was consistent, I haven't seen any results, that's why I quit. Now, when I asked them how long was it that they were consistent, it was like maybe 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and then they quit. Now the thing is, again, very much connected to the first one. If you get into this affiliate marketing with this kind of a mindset, everything is going to seem to you that it's just taking long. However, when it comes to consistency, and internet especially, it's all about consistency. Consistency is key to be successful, especially online, all right? If you're going to post something on the social media, nobody's going to see one post, but everybody or many people are going to notice if you're going to post every single day one post for the whole year, right? So that's the key. And now many people are going to be like, okay, I was consistent for a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, even 2 months. And then, they don't see the results. I understand it's very difficult to maintain the consistency when you don't see the results, you don't see the outside results. But that's why, 95% people failed, right? That's why success is not for everybody. Not everybody gets that success because not everybody is willing to, push through this. Now, the thing is that even, on the second month, you're still consistent, but you're starting to slack, you don't see the results, and then you quit. Even though maybe on the third month, you would get the results and the results would flood into your account, right? So it's all about consistency. Be consistent, no matter what you're doing, be consistent, right? Now, number 5, and our last point is belief. Now guys, this might seem as a trivial thing, but believe it or not, believing in yourself and that it is actually possible for you, all right, is probably the number 1 reason why so many people fail. Now, Believing in yourself is not only that, you know, it's going to happen for you, but also that you're confident enough in the product that you're promoting, in the way you're promoting, in yourself, that you're actually capable of, you know, selling this product to somebody else, right? And, you know, maybe it might seem a little bit weird for you, but, you know, when you're not confident or when you don't believe in yourself, people can actually sense it, right? It's not like, you know, they know exactly, oh, he's not confident, he doesn't believe in what he's saying, right? But they just kind of like sense it, feel it, that something is not right. You probably experience it yourself as well. You know, you're maybe, you know, on somebody's telling you something, selling you something, and pretty much everything that he's saying is correct and is something that you want to hear, but something is just not right. And you're just like, let me just think about it, let me come back to you, whatever excuse you might say, and you probably never come back, right? And the reason is that you sense something is not right, and that's exactly this. It obviously doesn't have to be this, but most of the time it is. It's that confidence, that belief that this is the right thing. So people can actually sense it, feel it, and you might be doing everything right, but at this point you're not doing it correctly, and that's why you're failing. All right, guys? So whatever you're going to do, if it is affiliate marketing or any other business or in life, always believe in yourself that it is possible for you, because that's your right, you know, to be successful, and be confident in what you're doing. All right? So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope you see why and what is this all about. All right, if so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. All right, and listen, guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to build a profitable business out of it, and you want a step-by-step guide, a blueprint on how to actually do that, I have a 4-day video series where I take you from literally A to Z on how to build a profitable affiliate marketing business from scratch. It's completely free, you get full access to it. All right, so if you want that, just click the link in the description below and you get full access to it. If so, I will see you inside of it, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.